Hello and welcome to English with LJ. I create content that is designed to help you improve your English and take you to the next level, regardless of what level that might be, whether it's A1, B1, or even C1. In this video, we're going to learn English and we're going to look at emotions. Now, this is part 2 of our emotions series, where I give you an emotion word, but then I also give you some synonym words that you can use that are very similar. They have the same kind of feel and meaning to them in the same kind of emotion. Now, I'm going to give you some sentences where I use those words. I would suggest creating your own sentence utilizing these words. See whether you can create your own sentence. And if you have another word that can be used within that emotion as well, another synonym, then why don't you create your own sentence using that word and put it into the comments for other people to actually see. This won't be a complete list of words that are synonyms, but it's just giving you an example and some words that you can utilize instead of that specific emotion word. So let's go. Disgust, repulsion, revulsion, loathing, repugnance. The sight of the decaying food filled him with disgust. The sight of the creepy Crawley in the dark corner of the basement filled her with an immediate sense of repulsion. The smell was so awful that it triggered a sense of revulsion. She couldn't hide her loathing for the dishonesty she witnessed. His blatant disregard for personal boundaries and manners sparked a deep sense of repugnance in those around him. So, all of these words have the same kind of meaning and feel as disgust. And what I would suggest you do is create your own sentence here. And like I say, if you have another word that you can use as well, put that into the comments for other people to see. Love. So we have affection, devotion, adoration, cherish. So the bond between them was built on a deep love and affection. Her unwavering support showed her devotion to him. He looked at her with adoration in his eyes. She would always cherish the handcrafted bracelet her grandmother gave her as a symbol of their special bond. So again, if you can create your own sentence using these words, and if you have another word, post it into the comments. So then we have excitement. So other words, enthusiasm, eager, anticipation, thrill, all of these words have the same kind of meaning as excitement. So let's have a look at some sentences. The announcement of the concert filled her with excitement. His enthusiasm for the upcoming adventure trip was infectious, and it got everyone excited about the journey ahead. He waited with eager anticipation for the results to be announced. The roller coaster ride gave him a thrilling experience. Confusion. So we have bewilderment, bafflement, perplexity. The complex instructions left them in a state of confusion. The sudden change of plans led to complete bewilderment. The complex riddle left everyone in a state of bafflement as they struggled to decipher its hidden meaning. The intricate puzzle left him in a state of perplexity. So some of these words are a little bit higher level English, but again, try to create your own sentence using these words, and so it shows that you understand the word and you know how to use it in a sentence. And again, if you have any other words that you can use here, then post those into the comments for other people to see. Contentment. So we have satisfaction, fulfillment, happiness. Sitting by the fireplace, he felt a sense of contentment. Completing the project gave her a feeling of satisfaction. Finding a job that aligned with his passion brought him fulfillment. The unexpected news of her promotion brought overwhelming happiness, and she couldn't stop smiling all day long. So again, all of these words have a similar kind of meaning. Try to create your own sentences here. Put those into the comments. You can put your own sentences that you've created into the comments. Give us any words that you have utilized that I haven't, so other people can see. Let me know what you think of the videos. Let me know if there's a way that you would like me to create the videos. Is there a topic that you would like me to cover? All of this is important for my channel so that I can create content that is going to help you improve your English. What do you need in order to help improve your English? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, because it does help the channel. I have Patreon. I have 3 levels of Patreon. There's a lot of material available on there, so go and have a look at that. I have an A1 to A2 course with all of the fundamentals. It's very in-depth. It's available on Amazon for download, or it's free on Patreon if you join any of the Patreons. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video.